Looking to create professional videos without installing any software? With Kdenlive Online, it's now possible. This powerful video editor runs directly in your browser. No downloads, no licenses, and best of all, it works on any device with an internet connection. Kdenlive Online gives you all the tools you need for high-quality content creation, multi-track editing, real-time effects, keyframe animations, filters, transitions, and much more. Perfect for content creators, freelancers, and digital marketers, this application lets you work from anywhere, without relying on a high-end computer. You can even edit 4K videos smoothly using proxy clips. Need a video for social media? A last-minute project for a client? Or maybe you want to grow your YouTube channel? With Kdenlive Online, you can do it quickly, for free, and with zero hassle. Just go to runaps.org/kdenlive-online, upload your files, edit with full control, and export your video in the format you need. It's that simple. Discover a new way to edit, professional, powerful, and completely browser-based, no installs needed.